Hello, my name is Rachel Riley, and today the topic I will be discussing is the experiments and key findings from Nuremberg and Mattei and Nuremberg and Leder's approaches to determine the genetic code. So once Watson and Crick had determined that the genetic code had consisted of codons that were 3 nucleotides in length, then the question was which groups of 3 nucleotides specify which amino acids. So first of all, they started off with uracil nucleotides, and they had combined them with a polynucleotide phosphorylase solution, and that created the poly-U. So the poly-U is a string of RNA molecules that consist of one single nucleotide. So the poly-U was combined with a cell-free translation system, and all 20 amino acids, while one of those amino acids was labeled radioactive. And when they tested this in 20 different test tubes, the radioactive phenylalanine had newly synthesized proteins created, so therefore the UUU is specified to the amino acid phenylalanine. This test was repeated on other RNA homopolymers, such as AAA, CCC, and GGG. So AAA coded to lysine, CCC coded to proline, and GGG was uninterpretable. Nuremberg and Mattei were the first to code specific RNA sequences to specific amino acids in 1961. In 1964, Nuremberg and Leder created a technique where tRNA and ribosomes were used to determine what other codons could be matched with amino acids. So this is the synthetic mRNA with one codon. This is the ribosomes, and these are the tRNAs with amino acids attached. So when mixed, the ribosome, mRNA, and tRNA were bound together, and there were other tRNAs that were left unattached. So in their technique, they used a filter. So when filtered, the tRNAs that were paired with the ribosome and the mRNA did not filter through, while the unattached tRNAs did. This determines that the mRNA codon GUU is specified to valine as it was bound together. So 61 codons were discovered through this method and has created what is now known as the genetic code, and this is the chart that we see today, and that is followed. That concludes my presentation. Thank you so much.